I'm Matt from Harley-Davidson Service, here to talk about Apple CarPlay on the Boom GTS Infotainment system. In addition to this video, remember to also use your Boom Owner's Manual and check the information on harley-davidson.com. Here, I have a Model Year 19 CVO Ultra Limited to show you how to access Apple CarPlay. If the vehicle is equipped with a wired or wireless headset, and you have an iPhone 5 or later model, you'll be able to use the Apple CarPlay functionality in our radio. Also, make sure you have an Apple USB adapter with you for this next part. Now let's connect our iPhone and begin using Apple CarPlay on the radio. First, let's make sure we have a headset connected here to the radio. Next, we're going to connect our phone using the USB cable. Once connected, the CarPlay icon will appear and you can begin using Apple CarPlay. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, throw us a like, and we'll see you next time.